Okay, let's go. It's just a peek, look. Come on. Oh my god. Too many stops. What's up everyone, this is wrek&Zookeeper. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to do a test about my action camera and my gears. So I'll be running to a place. I'm gonna do a collab with Varun. So he'll be doing motovlogging with me today. He's gonna wait at outskirts of the DVG. Now it's already 5:53 in the morning. So I will gear up myself and I will see you there. Okay guys, this is all my gear. I got my HS6 Legend action cam, my Pro Biker gloves and my V6 Bluetooth intercom. Everything is looking so good. So now I will gear up and then see you guys. Bye. Okay, bye. Perfect. So let's start our ride now. Happy morning to everyone. There's been a little change in the waiting job. Varun was supposed to wait for me, but I think I'm gonna wait for him now. Let's just hope it doesn't take too much time. Because we thought of reaching there in only 2.5 hours. So let's just see. I think the time is now 6:34 and the temperature is around 18 to 20. However, I'm gonna wait for Varun here and then we're gonna continue our ride. Oh boy, it's really chilly here.
A few moments later.
So finally, those idiots came. It's already 6:48 in the morning. Let's go. Up on bro. So Varun's gonna lead and we're gonna follow him. Our Bluetooth intercoms are connected and this is going to be fun. Now we are riding in the 2-lane road because until Chitradurga it's 2-lane only and later on it's 3-lane road, which is so good. I hope we reach there very soon. Oh no, I think he lost his tire. Bro, did you see that? The tire was fried out. We have done around 45 kilometers till now. So far, so good. I think you guys will not hear Varun talking because Bluetooth intercoms are singly connected and I didn't place my other earphone, so that's why you cannot hear him. Yeah, you are right. It is good to carry a spare tire while you are traveling because it will come in handy in times like that. What? Praveen, I think he has already slept over. Wait, I will check it. You good, bro? Bro, I think he has slept. Marigidana. To be honest guys, it really feels so good to ride in the morning, up to in highway. I'm really enjoying this ride, and I hope you guys are enjoying this too. Well, here's the thing you guys need to know. The place we are heading now is not the exact place which we plan to ride. We changed the place due to some problems, and I'm glad that we changed it. Right, bro? Yeah, he said right. Okay guys, so we just stopped here to have some tea, and I got a very bad news for you guys. My JSAX battery just got died, and we'll just have some coffee and we'll keep moving. Okay guys, we are done around 110 kilometers now. It's only 20 kilometers left. We're gonna reach there, and we just stopped here for the breakfast, and we had a good breakfast. So far so good. Ready? Okay guys, we reached the dam, and here's the dam. Okay guys, let's go up there. It's gonna be fun. I think some fair is going on there. Okay.
The way is closed.
Why?
Don't know. I think you must take a...
I told you, bro. Oh, there also gate is closed. The path is closed here, so we are looking for the way, and let's hope we find the one. Okay, you found it? Yeah, he found it. Let's go. Is it open? Yeah, it's definitely open. So let's go. Well, what do you know? We found a way. Okay, let's go. It's just a peek look. Come on. Oh my god. Too many stops. I hate to say this. I'm just like Kung Fu Panda. I hate steps. I really hate steps.
Come on.
Oh my god. Bro, next time I definitely gonna need a gimbal. Hey guys, I'm at the entrance now. Just look at the view. It's so beautiful. It's gonna lit. It is so beautiful. It's 10:15 in the morning, and it's already sunny. Way too sunny. I think we're gonna do a good photo shoot. Let's just hope it's the best time. Let's go. That's it. Hey, I think I figured out something. Let's just see this view in a B-roll. Let's play that B-roll.
to play? Was it all a game? Would you play again? Do you feel the same way we did back then? What about now? Tell me how you're feeling. What about how you're stealing my heart? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What about now? What about now?
Okay guys, this is a quick update. This is a place where Kicha Sudeep slept over in the song Usire Usire. If you guys don't know that song, here it is.
ಉಸಿರೇ ಉಸಿರೇ ಈ ಉಸಿರ ಕೊಲ್ಲಬೇಡ.
Yeah, that's lit. The song is lit. This place is lit. This is beautiful, guys. If you do want to come here, it's called Vani Vilasa Sagara. It's 14 kilometers away from Hiriyuru, and I will really suggest you guys to come in morning or evening, because in the afternoon it's gonna get too hot and it is difficult to photograph. If you are interested into, or if you want to just spend a quality time with your friends, with your family, and then it's your opinion. But I do really suggest you guys to come in the morning very early. It will open in the morning at 8:30 only. I think we're gonna move back. Okay guys, that was the video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you aren't already.